Hey YouTubers, Mike Boris with the Mike Boris channel. Thank you for watching. If you are joining us from the previous video where I admitted that I lost a bet and I had to go buy this ice maker for my wife, glad to have you. If you haven't checked that video out, definitely check it out. We actually go through the entire process of pulling it out of the box, getting familiar with the instructions. After you watch that, come back here and we are going to run you through the steps on how to properly set it up and clean it and get it working. Reading more into step 3 and 4, you actually have to run a cleaning cycle first. Here's the back of the ice maker, and the switch is on cleaning mode rather than ice. I washed the ice bin with warm soapy water, and reference back to step 1, I also used a damp sponge to wipe down the water reservoir, not using soap. Step 2, fill the water reservoir to the upper fill line and return the ice bin. Take note of that actual image right there. You want it at the upper fill line. Referencing inside, you've got 2 fill lines in there. There's the lower one, and there's the upper one. You want to fill it to that top portion. And we are going to use our reverse osmosis water. I'll fill that all the way up. Okay, the water is in and up to the upper fill line. It holds 2.5 quarts. And the last portion of step 2, return the ice bin. Step 3, touch the button to turn Opal on. Well, first we have to plug the unit in and take this off the actual power cord tip, plug it in. The display ring will flash green while powering on. Then turn the mode switch on the back of Opal to cleaning. That part is already done. And here's the ring that they are talking about in the instructions. It is powering on. Step 4, the display ring around button will begin to pulse a yellow color. Touch the button and Opal will begin the automatic rinse cycle. We can hear it circulating. Step 5, as Opal rinses, a yellow light will spin and you will hear water circulating. Step 6, in a few minutes the water will stop running, the yellow light will stop spinning and begin to pulse. One portion of the ring will look brighter, and we can reference these images here. The cycle is complete and the water is no longer running. Step 7, now drain out the water by unhooking the tubes from the back of Opal and placing them in a sink or bucket. Remove the drain plugs and allow all the water to drain out. Reference this image here. Here's the back of the unit, and here are the actual drain plugs, and we will remove this entire clip. Allow all the water to drain out. Step 8, replace the drain plugs and clip them back onto Opal. Finally, turn the switch back to ice. Water is no longer draining out. Go ahead and insert this clip back onto the end of the hoses. Just like that, and then reinsert it on the actual slot there. And switch the switch to ice. Now it's time to make some ice. Step 9, fill the water reservoir to the upper fill line and replace the bin, and Opal will begin to make ice in about 15 minutes. The display ring will show white lights falling slowly down the sides. Step 10, Opal will make about 1 pound of ice per hour. Whoa, that's cool. When Opal needs more water, the blue light will swish back and forth, as shown in these images here. When the ice bin is full and Opal can't make any more ice, the display ring will show solid bright white light, as here. Well, we got the actual unit in place on the table, and from here we are going to turn it on and start making ice. Here we go. That's awesome. As far as this tray, that goes all the way down to the very bottom, loops around the actual legs, and from here you can rest your scoop right there. And again, we're waiting 15 minutes for those nugget ice. Little mini nuggets. All because I lost a bet. Do us a favor, below this video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome.